Right now, as you can see, we added 2 more Aeon cards. In this video, we are going to display the information on both Aeon cards. So on this first Aeon card, we are going to display the pressure, humidity, visibility, longitude, and the latitude. While under wind, we are going to display the wind direction and the wind speed. Starting with the details, right here, for wind, for the pressure, this is going to be slide.current.main.pressure, and I can put the units. Then the next one is going to be humidity, and here it's supposed to be umbrella. So we are going to add the humidity as slide.current.main.humidity, and it's in percent symbol. Then for the cloud, or for the next one, is going to be visibility. For visibility, I will just put the eye icon. So visibility, and this is going to be, let me copy this. This is going to be slide.current.visibility. So visibility. Now the next one is going to be longitude, and we have latitude. Now for the icons, I'll just use iOS globe for both icons. iOS globe. Then for the information that to be displayed, this is going to be slide.current.codes.long. Then I'll copy this, come right here as well, and I'll paste. This will become lat. Instead of codes, this is going to be cod for coordinate. So we have the information for pressure. The icon is going to be cloud. Humidity, the icon is umbrella. Visibility, we have the icon eye. Then longitude and latitude, we're using the same icons, iOS globe. So let me save this now. Go back to the page. So let me scroll down. Here you can see the different information: pressure, humidity, visibility, longitude, and latitude. Now for the wind, let's add the information right here as well. So if I go into home.html, for the wind direction, I'm going to change this to compass. Then for the speed, I'll change this to speedometer. For the wind direction, we can get that from slide.current.wind.direction, but we are not going to use it this way. Remember, we created a function called wind direction. So I'll just copy what I have from here so that we can know the direction of the wind. So I'll just paste it right here. Then for the wind speed, it's going to be slide.current.wind.speed, and this is going to be in meter per seconds. So right now, as you can see, we've added the direction, the wind direction, and the wind speed. So I'll save now. So let me scroll down. Now I have the wind direction and the wind speed. What I'm going to do now is add some classes. Right here, I'll add the class row detail to each of this Aeon row. So class, I'll call it row detail. So I'm going to copy this class, come right here, paste, come here as well, inside each of the Aeon rows. Oh, I don't need it here. Then here as well, I'll paste here. And I'll do the same inside the wind Eon card. And here as well. Then to each Eon call, I'll add a class of item. It should be in the first Eon call. So here I'll add a class of item name. So I'll copy this. Then I'll go ahead and paste inside all of these Eon calls. So I'll pause the video. So I've added the class item name to all of the Eon calls column -6. Now let's go into the home.scss file. Inside the home.scss file, I'm going to start with card-eon, then card-lists, because I have that right here. You can see I have card-lists as a class. Then the next thing is going to be row detail. Here I'll set the font size to 1.5. So it's going to overwrite any default font size. Then the padding bottom, I'll set that to 10 pixels. Now the next class is going to be for the item name. So card-eon, card-lists, row detail. This is card dash, then the class item name. So I'm going to add display. I'll set it to inline block. Then the text align property is going to be left. So I want to align it to the left. All of these item names here, all of these, I want to align them to the left. Then one more thing is I have to do the same for the icon. Then this is going to be Eon icon. So let me take this out, set the float to left, then padding 0 at the top, 17 right, 0 at the bottom, 17 left. So the row item or item name and its icon will be aligned to the left. So now that I have all of these, let me save, come here. So right now you can see the styles have been applied to the text. I have the icons aligned to the left and also the item names. So now you can see it looks much more better than the way it was. If I try to get another city, you can see moderate rain. You can see the background is different. It has its own informations. Then I can search right here, go to another city, and you can see the information being returned. So we have been able to add all of this and style. What we are going to do is we are still going to use the Eon footer, and inside the Eon footer we'll add a link. We are going to see how to use the in-app browser plugin, so that when the user taps on the link and we want the user to go to an external page, it's going to open the in-app browser.